Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 332 coin change. It's a medium level problem and it's been asked in several companies including Amazon, Google, Meta and many more. So you are given an integer array coins representing coins of different denominations and an integer amount representing a total amount of money. Return the fewest number of coins that you need to make up that amount. If that amount of money cannot be made up by any combination of the coins, return -1. You may assume that you have an infinite number of each kind of coin. So basically, you can imagine this question by uh, by your personal experience. That suppose if you want to make 50 rupees amount and you have coins of 1, 2, 5, and 10. So, how many fewest number of coins that you need to make up that amount? So, in our example, I think 5 is the fewest number of coins. So, suppose if we have 5 coins of 10 rupees, then we can make it up to 50. So, you can take the personal experience and imagine this problem. In example 1, coins are 1 to 5 and amount is 11. The output is 3 because 11 can be made by 5 plus 5 plus 1. In example 2, count is coins is equals to 2 and amount is 3. Output is -1 because with the 2 rupees coins we cannot make amount of 3. In example 3, the coins is 1, amount is 0. So if we have 0 coins of 1, then we can make this amount to 0. So I hope you understand the problem. Let's code it up. So I am going to solve this problem using dynamic programming. So for dynamic programming, let's have this array and let's initialize each element of the array by a bigger number. Let's initialize 0 by, suppose if we want to make amount of 0, then we need 0 coins, right? Now let's have a loop. Let's iterate over the coins. Let's see if I minus c is greater than equals to 0. It means that if amount minus the denomination of coin is greater than equals to 0, then what we are going to do, dp of I is minimum of dp of I comma 1 plus dp of I minus c, right? Now we can return dp of amount, but it could be possible that dp of amount has the value of amount plus 1, so it is basically we cannot make uh, the amount by using the given coins, because if dp amount is amount plus 1, then it makes no sense to use the coins, right? So dp amount, we can have a if condition. If dp of amount is not equals to amount plus 1, if it is equals to amount plus 1, we are going to return -1. Run the code. It is accepted. Let's submit the code. It is accepted. The algorithm is working fine. So here the time complexity is order of n, because for this line number 7 for c in coins, so coins are constant. So coins can be like either 3 coins, 5 coins, 10 coins, let's say y coins, okay? So In that case, the time complexity would be order of n into y. I hope you like this solution. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.